In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Afterpay card number. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've created Google Docs here outlining how to do this. So to view your Afterpay card number for this year, you typically need to access your Afterpay account through their website or mobile app. So here's a guide on how you can find it. So you can log into Afterpay. So you can visit the Afterpay website or open the Afterpay mobile app on your smartphone. And then from here, you just navigate to account settings. Look for an option like my account or profile or your username ID in the app or the website. And then you want to view payment methods. So within your account settings, there should be a section for payment methods or cards. Select your Afterpay card. So locate the card associated with Afterpay. It might be labeled specifically as your Afterpay card. Card details. So once you select your Afterpay card, you should see details such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV. And if you're still having issues or unable to find this information, or it's not visible in your account settings, consider contacting Afterpay customer support directly. They will assist you in retrieving the necessary card details.